Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to perform an addition operation in septenary. The septenary are those numbers in base 7, and in septenary we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In order for you to perform an additional operation more easy in septenary, you need to be more familiar with this chart. 7 in base 10 is equals to 10 in base 7. 8 in base 10 is equals to 11 in base 7. 9 in base 7 is equals to 12 in base 7. 10 in base 7 then is equals to 3 in base 7. 11 in base 7 is equals to base 10 is equals to 4 in base 7. 12 in base 10 is equals to 5 in base 7. Let's look at some examples. We have 4, 3, 6 in base 7 plus 3, 5, 6 in base 7. 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 in base 7 is 12 divided by 7 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Minus, you have 5, remainder 5. You write 5, remainder, carry the 1 to the next. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 in base 7 is 1, remainder 2. Write 2, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 in base 7 is 1, remainder 1. Carry on to the next one, bring it down, have 1. So you have 1, 1, 2, 5 in base 7. Let's look at more examples. We have 5, 2, 6, 1 in base 7 plus 2, 4, 3, 5 in base 7. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 in base 7 is 0, remainder 6. Right, remainder 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 in base 7. 9 in base 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Minus it, you have 2. Remainder 2. You have remainder 2. You carry the 1. The next. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 in base 7 is 1, remainder 0. You write 0. Carry 1. Next. 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 in base 7 is 1. Take the remainder to the next, bring it down, have 11026 in base 7. Thank you for watching.